let's go driving. I'm in motion and we're just gonna go driving, and then I'm gonna point out any tips that could help you. Alright, so I'm on country roads. Wow, look at those antique cars. And we're going down a hill right now. Oh my goodness, it's 50 and I'm way over 50. Wow. Okay. Now I have broken line on my side, solid line on the other, meaning I could have made do a lane change or overtake someone at that point, but I don't have to because there's no one in front of me to say they're holding me up. Okay, now it's 80 kilometers an hour, and of course got the broken lines. So again, if there's a vehicle in front of me going slow, then I could actually signal check, get over there, pass him, and then